वेयर ए प्लस बी इज असल में गाइस आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू सी प्लस डी वी कॉल them lucky numbers. We will implement it with 4 for loops, one for each digit. The outermost loop will define the thousands. It will start from 1 and the rest of the loop from 0. They will determine the hundreds, the 10 and the unit. We will perform a check if our current number in the most inner loop is a lucky one, and if so, we will print it on the console. Here is an implementation example. Here is a part of the printed result. The entire result is too long. We leave as homework for the diligent reader to offer a more efficient solution to the same problem using only 3 nested loops rather than 4. Lotteries 6/49 example. In the following example, we will find all possible combinations of the lottery gains 6/49. We have to find and print all possible extracts of different numbers, each of which is in the range 1 to 49. We will use 6 for different number, each of which in the loops. Unlike the previous example, the numbers cannot be repeated. To avoid repetitions, we will strive for each subsequent number to be larger than the previous. Therefore, the internal loops will not start from 1 but from the number to which the previous loop got plus 1. We will have to go through the first loop until it reaches 44 and not to 49. The second manage 45 etc. The last first loop will be up to 49. If you make all loops to 49, you will receive matching numbers in certain combination. For the same reason, each subsequent cycle starts from the previous loop's count plus 1. Let's see what will happen. Everything looks correct. Let's run the program. It seems to work, but there is one problem. There are too many combinations and the program does not end. It is so slow that hardly anyone is going to wait. This is correct, and it is one of the reasons why there is lottery 6/49. There rarely are lots of combinations. We are leaving the curious reader to practice changing the example above just to calculate all lottery combinations instead of printing them. This change will dramatically reduce the volume of the printed result on the console, and the program will end surprisingly quickly. Printing excessive amount of text on the console is very slow and should be avoided. A modern computer as of 2012 can perform 3 operations per second but can print only 10,000 to 20,000 text lines per second. Exercises: write a program that print on the console the number from 1 to n. The number n should be read from the standard input. अगर गाइस आपको ये हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना ना भूलें।